Hello guys, it's been so long because all the things happening around us like this global pandemic and now this lockdown conditions. So even I was not being able to be productive and do productive things. So I was on a mental holiday, you can say. But wait, before we start, let's do our channel's ritual. So hello guys, this is Pooja and welcome back to my channel. So here I am sitting on my terrace and recording video because it's so difficult to record videos when all of your family members are home. So yeah, I came here and I'm trying to record. And meanwhile, let's soak some dhoop. So today's video is gonna be a super fun vlog because it's my mom dad's wedding anniversary today and we are gonna celebrate it at home because we can't go out and celebrate like we used to. So yeah, but we are gonna celebrate it at home with whatever we have. So I'm gonna bake a cake for them, and trust me guys, this is the first time I'm gonna bake a cake at home. So I decided to start with a simple one, that is 3 ingredients cake, which is trending all over the internet nowadays, and I hope many of you must have heard about it. So yeah, wish me luck guys, and let's start the video.
For this cake, the 3 basic ingredients are Oreo biscuits, milk and Eno, but we can add some extra ingredients as per our preferences. So before making a cake batter, we will first create an oven-like environment in a pressure cooker or any big container we have. While we put it for preheating, don't forget to take off the ring and whistle from a cooker lid and let it heat for 8 to 10 minutes. So I have taken some Oreo and some Bourbon biscuits and putting them into a mixer grinder container. We can take out cream from some of the biscuits that can be used later to make a chocolate ganache cream. Keep grinding it until it becomes a fine powder and then add some milk as per the preference. Then again grind it until it becomes a thick batter. We will add some Eno or baking soda. It will help it become more fluffy. Now that our batter is ready, don't forget to grease the container with oil very well in which you are gonna pour it. Now put it in a pressure cooker for next 20 to 25 minutes. After 20 to 25 minutes, check once if the cake is baked or not. So now we are gonna make a chocolate ganache cream for topping. This we will take some maida in a heating pan. Within the cream we have taken from the biscuits and then add some milk to it. For that extra chocolate flavor, I am adding some dairy milk slices to it. So now just spread this topping on a cake. Also add some dry fruits. And yay, our cake is ready!